In the annals of Western civilization, the profound impact of ancient Greece and Rome resonates across time. Beyond their artistic, literary, and philosophical contributions, their enduring gift to posterity lies in shaping the very foundations of modern governance. While the genesis of democracy can be traced to the political tumult of Athens, its maturation found a home in the Roman Republic, surviving the encroachments of emperors in the subsequent Roman Empire. In our contemporary understanding of democracy, it is vital to recognize its embryonic evolution within the eternal city of Rome. The Roman Republic emerged phoenix-like from the ashes of monarchy, a crucible where the people learned to guard against the tyranny of a singular ruler. The governance model of the Republic, and later the Empire, hinged on a tripartite structure: elected non-hereditary magistrates, an advisory senate, and popular assemblies. In its infancy, power disproportionately favored the patricians, the elite landowners, leaving the plebeians marginalized. However, this inequity was destined to be short-lived. The consuls, a dual executive chosen by the popular assembly, replaced the monarchical system. Serving one-year terms, they held both political and military authority, with a built-in system of checks and balances through mutual veto power. Over time, plebeians gained eligibility for consulship, fostering a more inclusive political landscape. Noteworthy figures like Julius Caesar, Marcus Licinius Crassus, Pompey the Great, and Mark Antony would ascend to this influential office. The Roman Senate, unlike later parliamentary bodies, possessed little legislative authority. Initially restricted to patricians, its primary influence lay in advisory roles to consuls and emperors. Despite its diminishing impact over time, the Senate's significance endured, particularly in matters of foreign relations and state finances. Prominent figures like Cato the Elder, Cato the Younger, Marcus Junius Brutus, and Cicero emerged as influential voices, shaping the course of Roman politics through their oratory and convictions. The fabric of Roman governance was woven not only in the chambers of the Senate, but also in the various popular assemblies. The Comitia Centuriata, representing a wealth-based division, held sway over the election of magistrates, enacting laws and decisions on war and peace. The Concilium Plebis, a product of the conflict of orders, safeguarded plebeian rights, electing tribunes and passing laws. Tribal assemblies addressed minor public matters and elected officials, contributing to the nuanced mosaic of Roman governance. The emergence of tribunes, born out of the struggle for plebeian rights, marked a pivotal shift in the balance of power. Elected by the Concilium Plebis, tribunes served as guardians of plebeian interests, possessing the authority to veto decisions affecting their constituency. This period also witnessed the codification of Roman law through the 12 Tables, offering a written constitution that granted citizens the right of appeal and extended the binding nature of laws to all, regardless of social standing. As the Republic evolved, so did the roles of magistrates, including praetors, quaestors, and aediles. The cursus honorum, a path from lesser magistracies to consulship, became a career trajectory for ambitious individuals. Praetors oversaw judicial functions, quaestors managed the treasury, and aediles supervised public records and infrastructure. Censors, responsible for public morality and the census, held a unique position, allowing them to influence public life. The rare but influential position of dictator or magister populi emerged during times of crisis, granting complete authority for a limited period. However, the demise of Julius Caesar marked the end of the Republic, paving the way for the transformative era of emperors. Rome's expansion into Gaul, Asia, and Africa strained the republican framework, necessitating the emergence of the first emperor, Augustus. Under the imperial system, popular assemblies waned, and the Senate became a ceremonial body endorsing the emperor's decisions. Augustus, with titles like princeps and tribunicia potestates, held unprecedented authority, effectively consolidating power. The Pax Romana, a period of imperial peace, became the government's primary mandate. In conclusion, the Roman government, particularly during the Old Republic, crafted a unique division of power that acted as a bulwark against individual oppression. While imperfect, It granted a voice to the voting public, featuring elected officials and representative bodies. However, the transformation under emperors marked a shift towards centralized decision-making, with the emperor becoming the ultimate authority. In the context of ancient times and considering contemporary governance forms, Rome stands as a remarkable example of a successful ancient government, encapsulating the essence of evolution and adaptation in political structures.